Relax. You can sit straight, sit comfortably. Slowly and gently close your eyes. Let your breath settle down. Let your thoughts settle down. Now put your right hand at the center of your heart, left hand on the tummy, just below the navel point. We'll chant Om Mantra for 5 times. You can chant with me. While chanting, just observe the vibrations in the stomach area, in the heart region, and in the head. Relax. Take a deep breath in and chant with me. Relax. Now put your both the hands on your thighs. Palms should be facing upwards. Relax and observe the vibrations in your stomach area, in your heart region, in your head, in your aura, and relax. All the 7 chakras will be balanced by chanting Om Mantra if you chant it for longer time. Relax. This will calm down your mind and body and aligns us towards the purpose. Relax. Now join your hands. With your closed eyes, chant this Garbha Raksha Stotra, which will protect you and the baby. Repeat after me. One second. Sorry. Relax and chant this mantra after me. Devaki Sutta Govinda Vasudeva Jagatpate Dehi me tanayam Krishna Tvamaham sharanam gataha. Devaki Sutta Govinda वासुदेवा जगत्पते देहि मे तनयं कृष्ण त्वामहं शरणं गतः। Relax. Now visualize the protective layer within your body and outside. Relax. Now you can lie down on your bed and relax. We shall do a visualization meditation. Take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Relax your whole body, starting from your head. Relax the top of your head, your forehead, eyes, eyebrows, eyelashes, eyelids, and the retina. Relax your nose, both the nostrils. Relax your cheeks, upper lip, lower lip, jawline, the tongue, chin. Relax your ears, neck, back of your neck. Relax your shoulders, drop down your shoulders. Relax your chest, abdomen, lower abdomen, sides of your abdomen, pelvic region, pelvic floor muscles. Relax and let go of any tension if you're holding in any of your body parts. Relax your spinal cord and all the organs near the spinal cord. Relax the lower part of your abdomen, lower part of your back. Relax your hip muscles, thigh muscles, knees, heels, calf muscles. Relax your feet and the toes. Feel the relaxation in your whole body and relax. Let go. Allow your thoughts to settle down. Now, today we are going on a very beautiful journey in the nature. Relax. Visualize your body. Physical body is here and the mental body, astral body, started moving out of your body, out of your room, out of your home, and out of the street, out of your town, moving away from all the hustle bustle of the city, village, town, anything. There is a beautiful landscape. Wherever you are looking, you can find greenery over there. The sky is blue and somewhat reddish, somewhat pink. It's a daytime. You're getting mild sunlight from the sun. Birds are chirping. There are some trees around you, very few trees. And they are moving slightly along with the air. There is a cold breeze touching your skin. You can feel the cold air touching your skin, your cheeks. Along with the air, you are getting aroma of your favorite flower. You are looking all around. It's a very beautiful place. There is one hut in the faraway place. There are some flowers, plants, beautiful butterflies, colorful butterflies. And you started moving towards one butterfly. It started flying, fluttering, and it started moving towards one place which is very beautiful. You are following that butterfly, and surprisingly, you got wings like butterfly, and you started flying slightly above the ground level. You started flying. You're feeling lighter and lighter, and you're feeling safe, and you landed in a very beautiful place, the place of butterflies and the colorful flowers. This place is filled with many plants, flower plants, and all the flowers are blooming. There are many colors, colorful flowers. Just like all other butterflies, you started moving towards all the flowers. And the aroma is wow. And now you are hearing one very familiar voice. When you look around, when you turn around, your daughter is standing there. And then you realize you have a very big tummy. And within this tummy, inside the tummy, your baby is there. You're another baby. Your little one. And with your daughter and the little one inside the tummy, you started moving. You're feeling very happy that your daughter is there with you. Your baby is there with you. And you people started moving. You started enjoying the whole scenery, greenery, the colorful butterflies, colorful flowers. You started picking flowers for your daughter, and your daughter started playing. She's laughing. She's smiling. She's enjoying. Along with your daughter, just like a kid, you also started enjoying, started running in the whole farm. And you're dressed up in a very beautiful gown or a sari, whatever you feel like, happy. You're feeling very happy. You have not tied your hairs. With your free hairs, you are moving, and your daughter is also enjoying the whole scene, connecting with the nature, connecting with Mother Earth. With each and every color, you're feeling that lightness. You started picking your favorite flowers, flowers of your favorite color. You started explaining about everything, all the flowers, to your daughter and the baby. Connecting with nature is a very beautiful thing. And you started creating good memories together in your own visualization. You are now a very beautiful personality with great intentions of giving a great life to your kids. As a great mother with conscious efforts towards raising the kids in a conscious way, you started enjoying the whole life with Mother Nature, Mother Earth. And in one place, you people sat together, just like a picnic. You felt and you started relaxing. Put your one hand on the tummy and caress the belly. You are connecting with the baby inside the tummy. When you touched the belly, it started glowing in golden color, and golden color glitter started producing out of your hands. Golden color glitters are emitting out of your hands, and they are moving towards the baby inside the tummy. This is the love you have towards your baby. This is the magical world with magical butterflies, flowers, trees, and the scenery. In this magical world, you are connecting with the baby in a magical way. Now, this magical motherhood is the dream you have, and it is now coming true. You are transferring, you are giving that love towards your baby. With these glitters, you are transferring the love and care you have towards the baby, and it is reaching your baby. You are also transferring the blessings to your baby. These glitters are falling on your baby's skin, and your baby's skin started glowing in golden color, representing its health and happiness. Now I want you to visualize your beautiful baby inside the tummy, glowing in golden color, growing happily in a healthy way. Visualize its hairs, eyes, eyebrows, eyelashes, eyelids. Visualize the eyebrows of your baby inside the tummy. Visualize its cheeks, chin, tiny nose, cute little lips, its chin, ears, neck, back, its shoulders, Your baby's cute little hands and feet. Your baby is fully grown up in your baby, in its beautiful house of the womb. Your womb is a temple, and your baby is a tiny little human being growing inside with the divine blessings. You're a great mother connecting with your baby, conversing with the baby in your own way. Now talk to your baby in your own words. Tell your baby that your daughter is waiting for this moment. Tell your baby the whole family is waiting for it. Tell your baby to take time for another few days that you want to enjoy the whole pregnancy completely. Relax. Visualize that your daughter is also putting her hand on your tummy and talking to the baby while you are conversing with the baby. Whatever the words she uses while talking to the baby, visualize the same things. She is caressing her hands on your tummy. With her tiny little hands, she is touching your tummy, trying to convey the message to the baby inside the tummy. You feel very happy looking at the bonding they share with each other. The child inside is responding to the touch of its sister. That sisterhood, that feeling, that bonding you share together. Feel the beautiful moment. Relax. Relax. Enjoy the moment. Now I want you to recognize, visualize you're having some of the papers and color pens near you. You and your daughter started picking some of the colors and sheets and started drawing a baby's image. That baby which is growing inside the tummy. You started visualizing the baby and you started drawing the baby's picture. And around the baby's picture, you started creating a dreamland which you want for your babies, for your kids. This is the dream world, dreamland you are creating in a sheet of paper for your kids. Whatever you feel like, the happy life which you want your kids to lead. You're creating a drawing in that sheet which shapes the future of your baby. And your daughter started coloring it, painting on it. It turned into a very beautiful portrait or picture. You took that sheet along with you. This is the beautiful life you want to give to your little one, along with your daughter and your partner. Now I want you to visualize your partner is entering into the story into this place, and you all are holding each other's hands. You feel like supported, much supported, more happy, happier than ever. You all started smiling and laughing. And now, from that place, you are moving out together with these happy moments. Your daughter started playing with her father, and you all are holding each other's hands. Started moving out of this place happily, carrying all the beautiful moments. You're moving out of this place with beautiful memories in your subconscious mind. You're moving out of this place. You're saying goodbye to all the flowers and butterflies. You turn around, look at the whole place. Thank Mother Nature. Thank all the butterflies, colors, colorful flowers, and everything around you for helping you to create this beautiful moment for yourself and the babies. Relax. Again, visualize you all are holding each other's hands. Feel the warmth of those hands. You are a family, a very beautiful family. And this family is moving out of this place, entering into your district, your town, your place, your home, entering into your room. You all entered into this place and you're feeling very happy. Now your mental body has mingled with physical body and it is feeling very happy. With this beautiful memory, I want you to put one hand which is free on your tummy and caress the belly. Connect with your baby. Now place your hand on the tummy and bless the baby. Ayushman Bhava. Again bless the baby as a mother. Dheergayu Bhava. Dhanavan Bhava. Gunavan Bhava. Yashasvi Bhava. Vijayi Bhava. Relax and visualize your baby living a happy, healthy, and peaceful life. It is leading a meaningful life. A confident life. Self-dependent. Kind to others. Very clear in its intentions. Having greater and spiritual intentions. Enjoying life in its own way. achieving its purpose of life, and you are helping that baby to achieve its purpose of life. Relax. With this, take a deep breath in and breathe out. Again, take a deep breath in till the abdomen. Breathe out. One more time, breathe in deeply and breathe out with satisfaction. Relax. Now rub your palms. Tap your eyes, transfer the heat and energy to your face. Slowly open your eyes in darkness. Look into the palms, look into the ground, and take blessings from Mother Earth. Relax. Okay, how was the experience? Want to share anything, or if you want to be in that mode for a few minutes, you can be there, right? Have I given you any task?